Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Getting some nice fresh sunshine again, getting that heat is coming. Thanks for liking and watching and subscribing to my channel. Just want to say hello. Just have a quick little Dollar Tree haul, and I've already had some of this thing, but I did get some more. I meant to get some more of the pearls. You know, they come only in seasonal. I just wish they were smaller, but they did have the pink, sorry, stuck the yellow, the blue, and the red, and they had the green and the purple, but they didn't have any that day that you can find in the hearts, as well as the round pearlescent ones. But that's what I got that day. Got some more palette knives, the real inexpensive ones, the Dollar Tree ones, but hey, you got a lot of 3 different sizes. Not bad. Net rollers, pick up little stuff in your craft room. Some more of the the cork ribbon. And then I got some of these. Oh, here's the green cup. So they had several chipboard. They had this one. And again, these have fluffy stickers on the back. And you can paint these other ones. Just use them as embellishments. Tags. You know, you just want a little bit of a dimension, because these are wood. So they're paintable as well. Got your stickers on the back. Summer's up, and these are just cute with the flip-flops. You know, and then I loved having them in this, you know, in wood tone so you can paint them. And then some more fruit and pineapples, which is a fruit. So I had all of those. I did get a couple fans to alter. This one says Slay. You can imagine which dolls or what I'm going to put on it. Yes, that's a hint. So that will be one of my videos, I'm sure. So I bought them for just the purposes of decorating them. Now that I said it, somebody probably get it up the other video before I do, but I don't really care. But have fun with it. Some chunky brushes to, you know, do your stenciling with, because I want to get back to a little bit of mixed media. My girls that I craft with on Zoom. We were talking about doing some mixed media stuff, so got some of those, some more of the crafter square ones, and some more sponges, and another stipple brush for your stencils. I think I showed these, I don't remember, and I had 2 of these by mistake, but anyway, I think I did show this one before. These 2, yeah, I did show this. I'll show them if I showed this. I did. That was my Tuesday morning haul, because I was like, did I show this? I already broke into it if I didn't. But I think I did, because that was my TM haul. I got those 60% off, or 80% off, something like that. I think it was 80% off. I can't remember, but it's $1 or something. But anyway, that is my haul today for the Dollar Tree. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.